In the vicinity of a river and surrounded by lush native vegetation, a bold architectural design stands out. The harmony between the interior of the construction and the surrounding nature is paramount, so pier volumes are strategically arranged around the courtyards. The central courtyards are responsible for bringing natural light into the rooms of the residents. In addition, an imaginary axis, also defined by a courtyard, organizes the intimate areas of the house. To the right, there is the living room to the north, framed by a continuous gallery of concrete, connecting with the kitchen and the open area of the barbecue. The spaces in the house open up to the landscape, with large windows framing the existing trees, promoting constant interaction between the construction and nature. The entrance to the house is marked by the south facade, composed of a blind volume of vertical wooden slats that provide tranquility in relation to the street noise. The materiality of the design is defined by the combination of exposed concrete, wood, and stone, prioritizing technical execution and emphasizing their aesthetic qualities. In this space, there is the garage and a guest area. Natural light is the protagonist, crossing the geometric rigor and providing a unique and beautiful scenography for the internal spaces. The technology used controls natural and artificial lighting, always seeking to create a specific and welcoming atmosphere. To the left, there is a volume that unfolds on the ground, where the bedrooms are located, open to the east. The terrain disappears into the river, and the master bedroom's balcony is close to the treetops.